Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. In this video, we'll dive into the world of peel-off bases for those wondering what they are. I'll provide a detailed guide on their usage, tips for longevity, and the proper way to remove them, covering everything you need to know about peel-off bases. This peel-off base has become a common choice for self-nail enthusiasts. In this video, I'll cover what makes it different from regular base gels, how to distinguish its usage, and share my recommended peel-off base for easy removal and long-lasting results. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started! Have you all heard about the peel-off base code? It might be common knowledge among self-nail enthusiasts, especially those who are into gel nails. In simple terms, this peel-off base is a type of base coat. When applying gel polish, the first gel directly applied to the natural nail is called the base gel, which plays an important role in the longevity of the nail. The regular base gel is made with the aim of lasting long, so it's a base gel that lasts for about a month. On the other hand, the peel-off base is a base gel designed for easy peeling, sacrificing longevity for the convenience of being able to peel it off easily after about a week. While regular base gels last for a month, removing them can be quite challenging. You have to file it, soak in remover, and rub them off. Removing all 10 nails can take at least 30 minutes, even with the fastest method. On the other hand, the peel-off base only lasts around a week. But removing it is as simple as peeling it off, which is quick and easy, taking 10 to 15 minutes. You don't have to dip it in gel remover, and there's no need for nail filing either, which is a nice point because it's gentle on your natural nails. You can use it with color gels or top coats from different brands that you already have. No need for any special tools. Simply changing to this peel-off base instead of the regular base gel makes it easy to remove. For those deciding between these two base gels, the regular base gel is ideal for individuals who prioritize maintaining a beautiful and long-lasting manicure, even if the removal process takes time. On the other hand, the peel-off base is recommended for those who only do their nails on weekends, wishing to avoid any damage to their natural nails, or prefer a quick and easy removal process. Both have their pros and cons, so I recommend you choose the base gel that suits your lifestyle and preferences. Now, let me show you how to use it. First, let's start with nail care before applying the gel. Use a ceramic pusher to gently rub the base of the nail, removing the thin skin-like layer on the nail surface. If this thin layer remains on the nail while applying gel, it makes the gel prone to peeling, so make sure to remove it before applying. Once your nail care is complete, the next step is to remove any excess oil. Oil from the skin can transfer to the nail, making the gel more prone to peeling. To remove this oil, dampen kitchen paper with ethanol and thoroughly wipe the nail surface. Now, the preparation is complete. Next, let's apply the peel-off base. Apply the peel-off base thinly like you do with regular base gel, avoiding any thick layers. Also, avoid applying it to the thicker edge portion of the nail. Applying it here can make it more prone to peeling. Once applied evenly, cure it under the light for the specified time. From here, the process is the same as other gel polish. Start by applying your preferred color gel. Cure it under the light. Apply a second coat and cure again. Finally, apply and cure the non-wipe top coat. Now it's done. While it may not appear significantly different from regular gel polish, the key lies in not sanding the nail surface after nail care and avoiding application to the edge portion. For those who want to ease up the peel-off base but still make it last longer, try the method I introduced next. Using this method will make your peel-off base last 2 to 3 weeks when it usually only lasts for a week. The initial steps are the same up to the point of nail care. Once you've completed through nail care, use a nail file to lightly sand the surface until it becomes slightly cloudy. This is called sanding, and by doing this, the peel-off base penetrates into these scratches, making it less likely to peel off. Whether you do this sanding process or not will affect the longevity of the gel, so when you want it to last longer, make sure to sand carefully. After sanding, follow the basic procedure of removing oil with ethanol. Then, apply the peel-off base and curing it. To make it last longer, it's also recommended to apply a regular base coat on top to add thickness. Having some thickness is more effective in preventing peeling compared to being thin and flimsy. Make sure to paint the base coat all the way to the edges. Once the base coat has cured, proceed with the remaining steps, following the basic process of applying the color twice, finishing with the top coat, and completing your nails. Finally, let me show you how to peel off the peel-off base. Gently insert a wooden stick from the edge of the nail, creating a gap between the gel and the nail. If it peels off smoothly, go ahead and peel it off as is. If it doesn't peel off easily, we will use nail oil. Pour some nail oil into the gap between the gel and the nail. Then, insert the wooden stick to gently peel it off slowly. If it doesn't peel off easily, forcefully peeling it off can damage your natural nail, so use nail oil to gently peel it off. This completes the removal process. It was easy, wasn't it? If by any chance it doesn't peel off easily, soak it in remover instead of forcing it off. Unlike regular base coats, soaking it alone should help to remove it. What did you think about the peel-off base? Just by switching from the regular base gel to the peel-off option can allow for easy removal, so I hope everyone give it a go. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more video like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.